Greeting of the day, everyone. This is me, Garima Yadav, a 12th grader student from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School of Gola Bazaar, Gorakhpur. So, today I am here to represent a topic, and my topic is batteries. So, in our daily life, we can see from a small cell of a remote to a large battery of a motor car through which a car or a vehicles are uh, run. So, if we talk about the batteries, then batteries are basically the series connection of two or more than two galvanic cells. Uh, so, we can say here batteries is equals to series connection of galvanic cell. So here, why do we use the batteries? Because batteries convert the chemical energy to the electrical energy from the spontaneous redox reaction. Now, if we talk about battery, then batteries are of three types, like primary batteries, secondary batteries, or one more that is fuel cells or fuel batteries. So, if we talk about primary battery, then what are primary batteries? Primary batteries are if we talk primary batteries, then primary batteries are not rechargeable, or we can say that if we use it over a period, then it cannot be reused again. If it used over a period, it get dead. So, and if we talk about secondary batteries, then secondary batteries are those batteries which can be recharged again and again and used over a period or again and again. Then if we talk about some examples, then if we see the cells from a clock, a transistor, or a hearing aids as well, and the most common is from the cell of the watch, our cell watch. So we can write here the examples like watches, clocks, cells, and transistor, and so many. And in case of secondary battery, we have two most common cells, that is lead storage battery, and the second one is nickel cadmium batteries. Now, moving ahead, moving ahead uh, primary cell are the most common example of the primary cell is one of the dry cell, and the second is mercury cell. So in case of dry cell, these are the cells. In case of dry cell, there it is consist of anode, where we use zinc, and at cathode there is a use of graphite rod, which is surrounded by manganese oxide, and there is a use of electrolyte, that is uh, here we can write anode, zinc, and cathode. If we talk about the cell reaction which is occurring on that electrode, then Zn is equals to Zn 2 plus electron. In case of cathode, there is MnO2 plus uh, NH4 plus, here plus 4 electron will give MnOH plus NH3. Now, here if you can see, then manganese is reduced from the oxidation of +4 to +3, and then after we get ammonia, and ammonia will form complex with zinc, that will be like this. And this is all about the primary cell, and now we are going to talk about the secondary cell. The most common type of secondary battery is a lead storage battery. In this, we have anode of lead. Uh, Here, if we talk about the reaction which is taking place on anode as well as the cathode, then in case of anode, there is Pb plus uh, SO4 2 minus will be converted into uh, PbSO4, and at cathode there is a lead oxide plus uh, 4H plus 2 electron, and it will be converted into PbSO4 and after that the net cell reaction of this battery is, we can say, net cell reaction. Then the net cell reaction will be Pb lead plus lead oxide plus 2H2SO4 will give 2PbSO4 plus 2H2O, and this net cell reaction is for the lead storage battery. Now, if we let's suppose this is all about the topic. Thank you.